Morning students, how are you? I hope you are safe at home. Aruna Vivekananda Vidyalaya Matriculation School, Pomban. 9th Standards Social Science Geography Term 1 Unit 2 Topic Erosional and Depositional of River, page number 110 to 112, date 12/8/2021. In last session, we learnt about agents of gradation, running water, courses of river. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Fall is the highest waterfall in the world. In this session, we learn about erosional landform of rivers and then depositional landforms of river. Did you know tributary? Small streams that join the main river. Example, river Bhavani. Then distributary, river channels that get separated from the main river. Example, river Kollidam. See about the following of erosional landforms of river are gorges and canyons, waterfall, V-shaped valley, pothole, meander, oxbow lake. See about gorges and canyons. அப்படின்னா மலை இடுக்கு மற்றும் குறுகிய பள்ளத்தாக்கு. When the river flows through a mountainous region made up of hard rocks, it forms a valley with almost vertical sides called gorge. In India, deep gorges have been formed by Brahmaputra and Indus in the Himalayas. Deep gorge with steep sides that runs for hundreds of kilometers is referred to as canyon. Example, Grand Canyon of the river Colorado in the USA. Let's see about waterfall. When a river flows in a region where hard rocks lie over soft rocks horizontally, the soft rocks get eroded quickly and the hard rocks projects outwards. Thus, the river falls vertically from a steep slope to form a waterfall. It erodes the rock material beneath and creates a depression called a plunge pool. Swallow fast following water in a stream is called a rapid. What is plunge pool? It erodes the rock material beneath and creates a depression called a plunge pool. Let's see about V-shaped valley. A V-shaped valley is formed by the vertical erosion of the river where the valley is deepened and widened. Let's see about the pothole. Due to the river action, cylindrical holes are drilled vertically in the river bed with varying depth and diameter. These are called potholes. See about meander. As the river loaded with debris flows slowly, it forms sweeping loops and bends. It is referred to as meanders. Next one is oxbow lake. அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னா குருட்டு ஆறு அல்லது குதிரை குழம்பு ஏரி. Meanders in due course of time become almost a complete circle with narrow necks. This in turn gets abandoned and forms a lake. This is called an oxbow lake. Did you know the world's largest oxbow lake is Lake Sitkot, Arkansas of USA. Lake Kanwar in Bihar, India is Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Next, let us see about depositional landforms of river. அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னா ஆற்றின் படிய வைத்தலால் உருவாகும் நிலத்தோற்றங்கள். Such as alluvial fan, floodplain, estuary, delta, groundwater, coast topography. Alluvial fan, a fan-shaped deposition made by the river at the foothills, is called an alluvial plain. Floodplain, fine sediments are deposited on river banks when a river floods. These sediments make the region rich and fertile. This is called a floodplain. வெள்ளச்சமவெளி, ஆறுகளில் ஏற்படும் வெள்ளப்பெருக்கின் காரணமாக ஆற்றின் கரைகளில் படிய வைக்கப்படும் மென்மையான படிவுகள் வெள்ளச்சமவெளியை உருவாக்குகின்றன. இப்படிவுகள் அப்பகுதியை வளமுள்ளதாக மாற்றுகின்றன. As the height of the river banks get increases due to the continuous deposition of a flooded river, levees are formed. ஆறுகள் தொடர்ந்து ஆற்றின் கரைகளில் படிவுகளை படிய வைப்பதால் ஆற்றின் கரைகள் உயர்த்தப்படுகின்றன. இவ்வாறு உயர்த்தப்பட்டதால் உருவான நிலத்தோற்றம் உயரணை எனப்படுகிறது. Estuary. Estuary is formed where the rivers meets the sea. Deposition of silt by the river is not possible. Here in the estuaries like delta, as if the waves keep on eroding the deposits. Example, river Narmada and Tabadi. ஓத பொங்கு முகம் எஸ்டரி. ஓத பொங்கு முகமானது ஆறு கடலில் சேரும் இடங்களில் உருவாகிறது. பொதுவாக இவ்வகை நிலத்தோற்றங்களில் படிய வைத்தல் செயல் கிடையாது. அலைகளில் அரித்தல் காரணமாக இங்கு டெல்டாக்கள் போல் படிய வைத்தல் நடைபெறாது. உதாரணம் இந்தியாவின் நர்மதா மற்றும் தபதி. டெல்டா, a triangular shaped low lying area formed by the river at its mouth is called delta. Deltas have fine deposits of sediments enriched with minerals. Example, Kaveri Delta, Tamil Nadu. டெல்டா, ஆற்றின் முகத்துவாரத்தில் படிவுகள் முக்கோண வடிவில் படிய வைக்கப்படுகின்றன. இவ்வாறு முக்கோண வடிவில் படிவுகளால் உருவாக்கப்பட்ட நிலத்தோற்றம் டெல்டா என அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. எடுத்துக்காட்டு காவேரி டெல்டா, தமிழ்நாடு. Fact: The Greek letter pronounced delta closely resembles the triangular delta of the river Nile. The Ganga-Brahmaputra delta is the largest delta in the world. Next one is groundwater. Water that percolates through the pores and fissures of rocks get collected beneath the earth's surface. This is normally referred to as groundwater or subsurface water. The rate of percolations depends on the nature of the rocks. The rocks that allow water to percolate are called porous rock or permeable rocks. Next one is the rocks that does not allow water to seep through them are called non-porous rocks or impermeable rocks. The percolated water in course of time returns back to the surface in the forms of springs, geysers, hot springs, wells, artesian wells, etc. Quartz topography. Groundwater is an active agent in limestone regions. Quartz topography is formed due to the dissolution of soluble rocks such as limestone, dolomite and gypsum. Limestone topography of western Slovenia extends for a distance of 480 km in length and 80 km in width, which is termed as quartz in the Slavic language. The world's largest quartz area in the Nullarbor located on the Great Australian coast. Quartz regions are also found in southern France, Spain, Mexico, Jamaica, western Cuba, central New Guinea, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Quartz topography also exhibits both erosional and depositional features. The world's best known geysers is the Old Faithful Geysers in the Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, USA. Now it's time for some questions. What is alluvial plain? What is V-shaped valley? What is a delta? If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you for watching the video.